Okay, Mishka, what do you think? Think I need a new phone case? I just think that this one might be just a tad broken. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you a super cute DIY time-lapse, Decoden time-lapse phone case thing. It's going to be super kawaii, and yeah, let's get started. So this is the phone case I'm going to be using, and we're going to Decoden it and make it really cute. So the first thing I'm going to do is very lightly color my silicone pastel pink. Let's go ahead and get started with that. Then once you get your desired color, you're going to want to put it in a piping bag and tape on a tip to Decoden. Then this is the part where you go ahead and scoop the mixture into your piping bag. And now it's time for the best part, Decodening. Here we go. So after a couple minutes of taking out and figuring out what pieces I wanted, here is the close to finished project. I think later I'm gonna cover that with like some pearls, the green part. But other than that, here is the Cinderella Kurila Kuma Kawaii phone case. Yay! Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you all in my next video. Let's hope this phone case works out and dries properly. I'm scared it won't. I hope it works. I will post a picture of Instagram when I add the pearls to the side. So make sure you follow me there. And I will see you all later. Goodbye my beautiful kawaii angels. Have a happy day. And be yourselves. Bye. Also, you guys, I redid the back of my door. Made it a little more classy and pink and kawaii. Whee! Okay, bye guys. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe.